Okay, so I don't know how many of you guys have noticed, but I wear glasses. And sorry, the background isn't backgrounding right now. I'm using my green screen because there's currently a bunch of behind the scenes boring stuff. Anyway, I don't like wearing glasses during my VR because, it's a little bit complicated depending on how thick or thin your glasses are. To get them in there, then you always have to worry about the lens getting scratched. Well, that's where VR Rock comes into play. Now, those of you guys may recall, I actually have VR Rock. They sent out a pair to me for my Meta Quest 3, so I could actually put them in there and whatnot. What they are is they actually, you give them the prescription of your glasses, and they're able to make lens for it that fit on the headset, which later on in the video, I'll go ahead show you guys because they actually sent me out some so I could put on my MetaQuest 3S. And yeah, actually, you know what? Let's go on, do the top down view thing and get into it, shall we? First of all, I'm going to have you guys ignore if it's a little dusty, the headset. I don't use it as much as I do the 3 because the 3 lenses are a little bit different than the 3S, and by a little, I mean they are different. The 3S lenses are a little bit closer to the 2. That's how they keep the price down. It's not a bad thing, it just is. Let's actually set aside the MetaQuest 3S for a moment so you can see what you get in this particular container, okay? That particular container looks like you get one of these, which you may recognize from my one when I showed you guys from my MetaQuest 3 lenses. Same container there. That's nice. You put the lenses in the container. And now let's put this aside and talk about the lenses, shall we? Okay, let's open this up and take the first lens out. Like I said, the lenses for this are a little bit thicker, but that's because the lenses are a little bit thicker. So we have that lens there, which good, we have that. And now we have this other lens there. Also, I don't know how much noise is being picked up by the mic, but I do apologize for so much noise being picked up if there's a lot of noise being picked up. And then the second one, which I'm going to struggle here for a bit apparently, is right here. And then we also will remove this from the container. Okay, there we have both lenses removed as it were. What you saw there is technically my green screen is still on this particular thing, and it reflected the green screen that's right in back of me for a moment. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. It also comes with a microfiber cloth. We put that to the side. I haven't even opened my other one. So, yeah. Now, let's do what some of you guys, maybe one of you guys, have been waiting for. Apply the lenses. Okay. So here we go. Okay. So now we just need to simply line up the right way. and then it just kind of snaps on in place. Okay, you'll have to push down a little bit to snap it on, but once you snap it on, it does not easily come off, so you don't gotta worry about that. And because this was like this, we know specifically that this should go facing, well, first of all, we gotta face it the right way, of course. And then after we face it the right way, that should also just snap on like so. Again, don't be afraid to apply a little bit of force to it. You're not going to easily break it. And then you see, even if I shake it a bit, you don't hear them fall out because they didn't fall out. They are just in. And then you would just put it on your face like normal. I will actually show you guys. Let's go back to the other view, shall we? I'm going to take my glasses off, and then I'm going to put this on, and it's on. Just like normal, and you don't have to worry about lenses being scratched up on the inside or anything. You have your prescription that you need. If you don't need a prescription, they also sell like anti-glare type ones too, if that's what you rather. But yeah, I've actually used them quite a bit in the past, which is why I recommend them to you guys. And thank you again, Via Rock, for sending me out that second pair so I could put on the 3S. And yeah, I definitely do recommend them. Like I said, I use them regularly. For the MetaQuest 3S, they also have other ones on there as well, but that should be a link in the description below. But for my MetaQuest 3S one, they're not even in here. They're in the MetaQuest 3S, but they're magnetic. So, because, the MetaQuest 3 has the pancake lenses, so they're a bit thinner, so they can be magnetic like that. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, or rather, if you think you might pick up some or not. Also, let me know if you have a MetaQuest 3 or 3S, or if you have a PSVR 2, or what headset you have, or if you don't have a headset but you're thinking about getting a headset, so you're doing all the research right now. I mentioned that because that's what I do. If I'm going to buy something, say over $50, if it's $50 or more, I do my research on it before I buy it. That's my, little thing I do. That's my rule, as it was. So, yeah, definitely feel free to let me know. Comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.